What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be doing a recap of the day trades I took today and a trade I took on the futures pre-market. But before we get started, as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's talk about a trade I made on SPY today. This was Brandon's call out. I did have a nice support level charted out here around the 376. Brandon's level was down around 375.8. They lined up nicely. I like that area. I got in here with the 377 calls and had a decent push up off that candle. I trimmed. I set my stop loss at my entry point. That way if it dropped down, I didn't give back any profits. It dropped down, stopped me out on my runners. Made some lunch money off this trade, but I am happy with my execution because I do not like to make a habit of giving back profits. Yes, if I'd held in the red a little, I would have made more, but you never know, and I'm happy with the way I handled that trade. The first trade I took today was off the opening candle, and it was this AMD scalp. This was a breakout trade. Now, a couple things confirmed this for me. First off, this was a key level. The 63 area was a resistance. The bids on level 2 did get above this, which is another confirmation. And of course, volume looked nice off the opening candle. It typically does. Got in for a nice scalp using the 64 call options this week's expiration. When I day trade or scalp, I always use same week expiration. If you're going to swing trade, you better go out at least a month or so. But had a nice push up, got in right at 63, I think like 0.5 or something. Had a nice push up to 63.5. The contracts moved decent. Members made money on this with me. I also got stopped out on my runners on this trade as well. It has definitely been a scalper's market today. We got some big data, CPI data coming out on Thursday, and I expect, the same conditions up until then, which is typical a lot of times. Now I want to talk about two different futures trades I made pre-market. One of them was simply a nice pullback up to this 9 EMA here, and also 20 EMA. We rejected off that nicely. I got in short here, played this move down here. Really nice trade. I went 4 short on this. Then I also took this reject up here around this 3,800. I definitely paper-handed this one, but it was a huge morning for me as far as futures trading go. My biggest yet. I still have, I'm still testing, still getting a feel for everything. I'm really liking NinjaTrader for trading options. It's starting, everything's starting to come together nicely for me. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them for you. Again, price action when trading futures has really worked well for me. If you don't know about price action, I recommend you watching some YouTube videos on that as well. Possibly reading a book, whatever you need to do, however you learn best. Don't let people force you into thinking you have to read 1,000 books to get good at this stuff. Some people just don't learn that way. Some people learn better by watching videos, and that's perfectly okay. Plenty of educational videos out there. Take advantage of all the free education on YouTube. But that's all I had for this video. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.